Cappy's having fun. Cappy's having fun. Oh, she's on fire. Too much fun.
Oh, yeah. God, don't catch on fire.
Whoa, whoa.
Oh, did I do that wrong? Oh my God.
I don't think I've ever seen a cabbage before, apparently.
This thing is huge.
Like, why is it so big?
Oh my God, this is so dangerous.
This knife is not going through the cabbage.
No, wait. You're gonna hurt. I'm on it. You're really dangerous.
Okay, sorry.
Everyone here is spoiled, but the nepo babies are a whole nother level. But they're cute.
Whoops.
Woo! Fire in the hole!
Ooh! It's gonna be good and brown, I'll tell you that much.
So in this pan, I have my steak. I have 3 different types of mushroom. I have some type of green tree stuff. What are you talking about? Watch my hair. Trying to burn my hair. Not my hair! You trying to get my hair? I gotta possess the hair. I almost lost my hair.
Oh, I got a boo-boo. I need a boo-boo.
What is it?
Cut himself. All right, medic, we need a medic.
I don't know how I sliced my finger.
Did he just get blood all over the burger?
But I can't serve any blood to the chef.
Oh, it's bleeding.
No, honey, ain't nobody suing me, baby.
Ouch.
Oh my God.
It's over for me at this point.
A boo-boo. A boo-boo to a boo-boo.
So I was hurt.
You see? Good.
Perfect. Thank you.
The fryer's fun. Since I'm in a deep frying mood, let's give this a try. Okay. Woo! I never fried capers. Woo!
What do you say?
Capers.
Whoa! How you doing?
Flames in the air and I don't care. I put it out, so what's about? Whoop, whoop, whoop. You know, I used to do a little rapping back in my time.
Oh my gosh. There was like a bomb that went off. How high do you have the heat?
Okay.
Elena, you almost singed your eyebrows off between those glasses.
I can't handle it anymore. The fight with this meat and this griddle.
Your meat is crisping, but you crisping me with that fire.
I didn't
Oh!
Okay, I need another set of hands. Oh my gosh. Now it's time for cooking Harry. That's it. Oh, it's smoking. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh God, please work. Oh yes! I gotta watch that sear, because I do want it to sear. I want it to be a little bit crispy, but I don't want it to burn. Hey, it didn't stick! Yay! Avi, what are you doing?
I am not doing a thing.
Leona, leave that pan on the
Leave it on? Okay.
Whoa, Leona. All right.
Fire's out.
Turn your burner down.
Okay, yes, chef. The fire just went out on its own. I don't know what started it. I don't know what ended it, but now I'm getting back to cooking. Well, that was interesting.